my name's William Clark. I just wanted to do a little review on this new product here that I just bought, GoPro Hero 7 White. Now I've seen a lot of videos online which are quite bad reviews really of people saying that it wasn't as good as they thought it was going to be. To be honest, they also had on there saying about the video quality wasn't filming in what they said it was meant to, as in 1080 by 60 frames per second. Obviously it's had new updates since, and it is actually now filming 1080 60 frames per second. 10 megapixel stills and up to 10 meters waterproof without an extra case. Obviously this is all still in its box, it has been opened, but I just thought I'd put it back in the box to show you how they would come packaged. I have also purchased a few extra things because I wanted to try and use it as like a vlog setup as well, to see if it was going to be any good. It's good for, obviously, because it's waterproof, you can use it outside, so that's another good plus. You can use it in hot tubs, water, whatever. Obviously it's waterproof. I've purchased a couple of other things, one being this mount, tripod mount, and this piece here, if you can see it. Put my hand behind it so you can see it. So that will obviously just screw on top. On top of that piece, then to use it in a vlogging setup, I bought extra case here, which is obviously not the original. It has what's called a cold shoe mount on top, so you can add extra pieces. Obviously this one cannot support an external microphone, but the GoPro Hero 7 Black can, which maybe I'll eventually get, but for now, budget wise, I couldn't get one at the time. This one here is now reduced to about £130, so it's not too bad. The video quality is really good for what it is. It will do what I need it to do. So that is an extra piece I've just purchased. To go with it, I've also purchased this, which is a 42 LED light. It's got two settings, and to be honest, both of them are really bright. What I can do is I will do a little clip for you in this video just to show you how bright it actually is, but as you can see, we've got like setting 1 and then setting 2, and you can see it's really bright. But obviously I'll set this up on here. This is also actually rechargeable, I might note, which is very useful, so you don't have to keep buying batteries all the time for it. Just to show you also this case here fits the GoPro. You've got, obviously if you have the Hero 7 Black, you can put the adapter here for the external microphone. You've got the attachment here to attach it to the tripod holder or whatever sort of holder you have. This piece here on the top is what's called the cold shoe mount, and this one comes with a little piece that basically you just push in and it slides across so you can put the camera in the back. But what I'll do now is I will just pause the video a second and I will get the GoPro out of the box, put it into the new case and attach all of it together so you can have a look to see what it looks like. Obviously the light itself is quite big, so it is quite large on comparison to the actual camera itself. You can get smaller light from GoPro, but they're rather expensive. And again, none of this is actually sponsored by anyone. I've just purchased all of these out of my own money just to do some little vlogs, do some waterproofing stuff. I also ride motocross, so I will use it for actually riding footage. But yeah, so I'll just pause it now and put all the bits together. Right, there you go, just a couple of about a minute really, but yeah, that's the new case. The light, which I said, it's quite a big light, and then tripod stand. So obviously with this mount, which is really good because you can just press this little button in and you can angle it sort of wherever you like, really. So what I will do is I will get a little clip for you of this working. I'll record a clip through this GoPro for you, and that will be in 1080 60 frames per second. I'll show you what the capability of it's like in low light with no light. Then I'll put it on the low and the high setting and show you. The high is rather bright, the lower setting is sort of where you'd probably normally have it. I would like to see if I can get some form of filter lens to go over this light to make it more of a natural light rather than a bright light, because it's super bright and when it's shining in your face it does sort of hurt your eyes a little bit. But yeah, it's all of it fits together quite nicely, considering obviously none of this stuff are really all made to go together. But this is my sort of vlogging setup. If you want to have a little closer look, you can see the light there, or the cold shoe mount, and this new case, which as I said has the slot there for external. You can hear my son in the background. And here is where on the like you would take off this little door hatch and you would have the cable run through, plug in, and then you can have an external microphone. With this light it does have 3 extra cold shoe mounts, so you can actually mount an external mic to this setup if you wanted to. Sorry, my son's a bit loud, but yeah, it is a very useful little setup. As I said, I've actually put it together once today and had a little play with it, but I'll do you a little clip and show you. I'll put it in this video so you can see what's the low light capabilities like without the light, with the light on low setting and on high setting. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some good clips. So I just wanted to show you, this here is the vlogging setup with that light on top. It is really bright, and this is at the moment on its lowest setting. I can put it on its higher setting, it is really blinding. I'll just quickly flick it on there for you now. So that's it there with its highest setting. Again, I would like to get a cover to go over it to actually make it more of a natural light rather than a really, really bright light. See if I can quickly just flick it back to the off completely. So again, this is the light without any light at all. So this is how good the camera is with just its low light capability. It is quite dark, but again, GoPros are meant to be action cameras, not necessarily vlogging cameras. But again, this is why I purchased this light, to try and make it so we can use it as a vlogging camera as well, to make it multi-purpose. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about it, with this light, the case and the tripod. If you guys would like to know, I can put in the description below the prices of the case, the light, and I'll try and get the price of the actual tripod stand as well, bearing in mind I have purchased these pretty much all on eBay. And yeah, prices change all the time on eBay, unfortunately. But yeah, this is just my little setup that I've purchased, and hopefully somebody might be inspired by this setup and maybe try their own setup or their own YouTube channel, or even just get a GoPro, because GoPro are one of the better manufacturers of action cameras out there. There is quite a few out there, and yeah, for the money, this, again, camera was £130. It's pretty good quality for the money, really. So yeah, guys, hopefully you would have just seen the clip on here of this GoPro footage, and all the different light settings. There's only about 2 settings plus off, and you see the quality of it in low light, as well as the quality of it with the light on. And yeah, if you have any opinions or any ideas or anything else like that, please do like and subscribe the video, share the comments in the description in the bottom, and yeah, just maybe give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Anything else you'd like me to maybe look at getting and reviewing, I'll be happy enough to try and review something else for you. Yeah, thank you for watching.